So I started with 290 and then I lost the 7s against jacks, but whatever. And then it was this tough spot for me. It was limp, limp, limp. I check, 9-6 off. The board came like 9, 6, 10. I lead it 23k. The guy shoved 130 and the other guy reshoved like 300. So I had 150 in this spot before the hand starts and I decided to fold. And this guy, they both had flush draws. And I obviously gonna win this one. I had like 500,000, but I folded. I had 120, then I double up, and I had 200, then I had 300, then I win more. I have 4 something, and this hand just happens now. I raised under the gun queen 10 suited diamonds. The board came, the bottom cheaply recalls, and the board came king 4-5 2 diamond. I check, he bets like 18k. I call. The turn came ace of diamonds, so I had the first nuts. I checked, he bet 32k. I raised it 96 and he just shoved it to me. So yeah, I had 250 left or something like that, so I just called with the nuts and won a huge pot. So
What did he have, and/or what were you putting him on in that spot?
I thought maybe it could be set or something like that, but he tanking for so long, so yeah, he had ace queen off, so he had no outs in this spot.